Horses out from the Manila Jockey Club, wishing you a Happy New Year. We have out of time. Best to begin in the middle. Louis Star moving up. Lady Atasha. Sugar Mike Promise. Down on the inside is the Hyper Franco. And going along for the first turn, we have Louis Star, the leader by Avaraneka. And on the outside, moving up Lady Atasha. Art of time in the middle. 3 lengths in fourth. Sugar Mike. Hyper Franco. Moving up La Dolce Vita. Lord of the Sun. Promise comes next, Rising Star, That's My Way. Adhikaing Gintong Gantimpala, Janet Lim, and Elena Spiller is racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Lady Atasha, this time by about 2.5 lengths. Art of Time, Dress back in second, Louis Star in third. Moving up on the outside, Sugar Mike, Lord of the Sun is down on the inside, Pipa. La Dolce Vita, Hyper Franco. Then followed by That's My Way, Rising Star, Adhikain, Gintong, Gantimpala, Promise, Janet Lynn, and Elena Spiller. As they come down at the last 200, and it's the Lady Atasha by about 3 lengths. Lord of the Sun now moving up to take second. Last 100 meters. And it's the Lady Atasha, Lord of the Sun. Entering the finish line. The year ender belongs to Lady Atasha. Second, close. Hyper Franco, Lord of the Sun. Then comes Louis Star, Art of Time, and That's My Way.
That's